Hello student, I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope all are you fine. Today I am going to discuss about the first chapter of computer, that computer hardware and components. Before starting the video, I want to tell all of you that no need to copy any question discussed here, because I will provide all the important question and answer about the related topic as a PDF file. You can easily download the PDF file from Wasam app, or just click on the link below the description on the YouTube. But all you need to write all the question and answer on your computer copy from the PDF file, so that no one has to look for any question and answer anywhere. So let's start. Here is the main content of this chapter. Number 1, data and information. Number 2, hardware and software. Number 4, number 3, working of a computer. Number 4, external hardware. Number 5, storage device. Number 6, internal hardware. Today I am going to discuss the short topic, which is data and information. First of all, we need to know what is a computer system and how it's work. A computer system is an electronic device that accepts data as a input through input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc., and process the input data by performing mathematical and logical operation through the CPU, and gives the desired output through the output devices like monitor, printer, etc. Okay. Now the question arises, what is a data? Data can be defined as a raw facts and figure which will provide to the computer as a file, image, etc. Now the next thing is program. When the raw facts and figures which are processed logically by set of a instruction is known as program. A computer always follow a set of rules, what to do, what not to do. That is called a programming. The set of rules is called programming. And the important part of this chapter is what is IPO. IPO stands for input, process and output. The main concept of generating output information from the input data is also referred as IPO concept. We give instruction to the computer as a data, then computer will process the data and give the desired result as a output. This process is called IPO cycle. Okay. Next, here is some important thing, some example of input devices. Mainly the input devices are used to give instruction to the computer. Here is some example: mouse, keyboard, joystick, microphone, scanner, etc. And when the computer processes the data and give the result via output device, which is monitor, speaker, printer, etc. For example, a teacher submitted the marks to the report generation system via mouse, keyboard, scanner, etc. This is considered as a data, whereas the report card that is generated by the system is called information. Here is an important term called algorithm. We need to know what is algorithm. A process or set of rules to be followed in calculation or other problem solving operations, especially by a computer, is called algorithm. We previously told that a computer works on a set of rules, that is called algorithms. So next, Here is some insight question answer following this topic. What is a computer system? We discuss about the computer system in this video. What does IPO stands for? IPO stands for input process output. What is IPO cycle? What does CPU stands for? What is data? Define program. What is algorithm? Define input device. Input device is the device that used to give instruction to the computer. An output device, similarly, output device is used to give the desired result as a output via monitor, etc. These few questions are mainly from this topic, and you need to write down the question and answer on your computer copy. I want to tell every student that they need to read the chapter carefully to understand the topic. And as I told that I would provide all the question and answer as a PDF. So no more today. I am ending the discussion here. We will continue the chapter in the next class. Okay, then goodbye.